Good day. I am Vainavi studying in grade 5. So today I am going to do an experiment on solute, solvent and solutions. The aim is to dissolve different substances in water. The materials required are 3 glasses of water, pepper, salt, sugar and a spoon for stirring. So first, let's try to stir pepper. Let's stir it. Now, let's put some sugar. And let's put salt. So we have to stir it till it dissolves. After some time, if we see the salt is completely dissolved in water, the sugar also dissolved but some is left. The pepper brings color but it doesn't dissolve in water. So you can see that pepper down and upon in the layer. By this activity we get that sugar and salt dissolve in water but pepper doesn't. Thank you.